Okay, hello again and welcome to English class with teacher again. So today teacher will teach you according to our job. But um, this lesson teacher will express you and let you practice like teacher said the sentence and everyone will guess what the job that can help you in that situation. Now before we move to our lesson, let teacher ask you how are you today, everyone? And yes, I hope that everyone feeling well and you are doing fine, right? So, what about the weather like today? Are you feeling so hot, everyone? Yes, okay. Maybe your place is not hot, but teacher place is feeling like so hot today. Okay, so now let's move to our lesson today. Like teacher mentioned at the moment, teacher will teach you about a job, right? So, teacher will not tell you the job is it, but teacher will say, write a sentence and let everyone guess. Okay, who is that? But the title of our lesson is who have, okay, me, his. Okay, okay. Oh, that is the strange title of our lesson. Who help me please? So this is we need help, right? Okay, we need help. So who can help you? What kind of the person that can help you? Okay, because everyone have unique talents. Okay, I can take you, but I cannot. Uh, I can teach you English, but I cannot heal you something when you are feel not well. So you have to meet to go with somebody that can help you be better, something like that. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the sentence. So the first sentence is okay. Okay. Like for example, he take care my of my pet. Okay. Okay. He's take care of my pets when it I'm sorry when it is sick. Okay, teacher will put here everyone. So when it sick. Okay. So teacher will put the blank here and what the person that can help you in this situation. So who is he? He take care of my pet when it is sick. Okay. So you can read and you can think what kind of the person can help you in this situation. Okay, one more. He cooked lunch. Okay, maybe you know already. He cooked lunch for all of okay for all the children at school. So who is he? Who is he? Okay, you will guess and you find the answer with me. Okay, maybe some of you know the answer already, right? Okay, who can help you this? Okay, number 3. Okay,